I'm very much excited and I'm getting to learn new things and getting acquainted with the new atmosphere. So it's great. I'm enjoying it.
I appreciate the efforts. Even sir is expanding more into getting the students acknowledged about the tools and how they'll pursue in their career. Even they have business, they can proceed to expand their audience and provide sales and engage with them.
So for me, the workshop has been creating a lot of value because I've run my digital marketing agency, and to really add more value to my client, I wanted to get into a lead generation program. So far I think I'm really more than happy to be here.
Very informative for me as I'm new joining here, and yeah, it will definitely useful in my future career.
Yes, it was a very it is a very good experience for me.
And sir's voice is very energetic and enthusiastic in the class. I am loving it. I am totally new for the social media and building the funnel, but I am enjoying it with a full detail and I am loving it.
बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. मैं सबको सजेस्ट करूँगा कि वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम इस टाइप का वर्कशॉप आपको अटेंड करना ही चाहिए.
As I'm planning to start my own agency, I think this workshop is going to help me a lot, and I'm really excited to work with Saurabh sir.
I must say it was so damn great. I learned a lot. It was really an eye-opener for me, and especially Saurabh sir's teaching is really good, and I'm super excited.
It was a great experience for me. I will suggest all my friends and all the growing students right now to join this workshop, and they can also grow their business.
And the way he taught us, it was fantastic.
It was too good. I loved it and I'm waiting for some more.